one rare occurrence. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Alrighty, so currently we got the expansion up for CPI. We did take out weekly buy side liquidity. This 518 level. Next buy side liquidity on the weekly time frame is 18,612. We did get the body. Well, we don't have the body close just yet, but as long as CPI data holds up, we do have the body close over the BPR. We even we even retested it this morning. Got the got the expansion off of it. Now, ideally, as long as we hold up this range, pretty much we will see more continuation up. For a pullback would be nice. We're not really making much higher highs, but we'll see what 830 or 930 wants to bring us and kind of give us some divergence there. But so far, it does look like we kind of want to pull back to discount range. As you see, we failed to make a higher high, and looks like we're also about to make a lower low here. My main focus now is to buy the longs whenever we get the change of state and delivery back bullish. As we see, look at this massive green daily candle. Also, look at this midnight open. So as long as we're above midnight open and daily open, pretty much your focus should be buying longs. You should not be trying to short this. You can short this for all you want, but the smarter setup would be to take it with trend and take it with the larger participants. So right now we would just have to wait to see if we get a change of state delivery back bullish. Based on a 5-minute, we have absolutely nothing that would give us a clear direction back bullish. 2-minute, nothing really. Not even the 10-minute. All right, so here we go. We got this 8-minute. Notice how we have all these equilibrium blocks in the same exact range. So if we close below this range, we're going down. We close above this range, we're going up. All we got to do is enter in a retest. So really nothing to really try to predict anything in the market. Just be patient here and wait for these body closes. And looks like we're going to end up closing in this range yet again for the 1, 2, 3, 4th candle here. Let me look at the hourly time frame. Let's clean up these charts. All right, based on the hourly, down here is some pretty much equilibrium block. 3 hour, 4 hour, so 6 hour, my guess. Yep, there we go. Perfect. Look at this on the 6 hour. Here we go. We got a 6 hour equilibrium block. If we do get the retest of this, pretty good entry to go long off of. Tight risk to reward, not a crazy expansion range. We got buy side up there. We got some sell side, relative equal lows down there at the low. Do we have any more data for the rest of the week? Yeah. Another day to make $1,000 in a second. Yeah, 8:30 unemployment. Sometimes you get a good move out of it. Sometimes that should be. It does absolutely nothing. It'll shoot up freaking 8:30, and by 8:30 in 6 seconds, it's back down to break even and went nowhere. Yep. All right then, brother. All right, so we got the 6 hour equilibrium block. Sell side down here. We don't need this buy side anymore. I am going to keep this BPR because price is currently still respecting it. But as long as we pretty much hold up this fair value gap from 370, we will see more expansion back up. So just keep that on watch. We got more 4 hour sell side liquidity here. All right. All right, so posted a game plan for today. As long as we hold up the 6 hour, we will see the expansion up. Pretty much just 8 minute whenever we decide to break out of this range. This is going to tell us whether we get this pushback up to the highs or do we push back down to this imbalance here. Either or should pay out pretty aggressively. So we just got to sit here and be patient. 7 minutes till market open. Crazy. Everything is at all-time highs again. But freaking Tesla. Really just need to see Tesla close back over 200. Once Tesla closes to over 200, don't sell anything. Like if you still are in leaps, you shouldn't have really trimmed, but if you did trim, a-okay. But once we get this close back over 201, 200, Tesla's gone. Like it's headed straight to 300, no ifs, ands, or buts. Another thing that I am watching AMC. Personally, I don't really think we're late. All right, so once we get the break over this trend line, why did this just put that there? Um, all right, so once we get the break of this trend line, I will be taking some longs as this is with the trend. Don't try to fight the trend. I don't know how strong these apes are, but I am watching some AMC. Still just trading inside this range. I waited for 9:30. Okay, okay, I see what you see. All right, so if you look here, more confluence to why you should have went long this morning for 8:30 data. ES swept sell side, left the relative equal lows. NQ did not sweep sell side and made a higher low. That little bit of divergence kind of told you all you needed to know. Market open here in 2 minutes. A minute now. You got to get on at least like 30 minutes in advance. Mm. Next CPI takes out the high end of low. I know, like you can't be like ignorant to that. Like if that happens, just exit. Like don't try to force it. Just mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, get it funded first. Yeah. 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 You could on both of them. You can. And we are open, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Just need to go look at something real quick. What do we got? AMD here. Shit. Where's our coin? Because coin needs to start join. Okay, coin is finally joining the party after we took sell side here. All right. I've been wanting to go long on coin for a very long time, and we have triple bottoms here. Okay, NQ is starting to dump. Just got to be patient. All right, 1 minute. Doing absolutely nothing. All right, just be patient here. We just need to break out of this range. We did just sweep sell side. Looks like 2 minute maybe still holding up its equilibrium block. I see this shit just going chopping back and forth. Um, took out the high, took out the low. It's like it's trying to push up and take out the high here based off the 2 minute equilibrium block. Um, just gonna wait for this body close. We should get the retest even here in 8 minutes. As long as we don't expand too much here. But currently buyers did hold up the 2 minute equilibrium block. As you see, they're stepping in pretty aggressively. Um, just slightly wasn't quick enough to see that. 25.75. That's where it's projecting right now. Let me go look at ES. ES is about to offer the change of state delivery back bullish. Where's ES's buy side? All right, a close over 52.96, and we are long on some SPX calls. Hmm. I mean, we just gotta wait here for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, we get this closed. Likely, we get the retest, the 8-minute equilibrium block on ES or NQ. One of them we're gonna offer the retest, and that's where we long. Gonna mark both these out. Hmm. I mean, lower time frame just took the high, failed to displace, just took the low now. Just gotta wait 1 minute. A lot can happen in 1 minute. Currently, looks like we're going back up to highs. Okay, this is just wrong. How the hell is this midnight open? Midnight open is not up here. All right, let's go ahead and get this long setup ready. Take this up to the highs. Boom, bada bing. Stop loss right here. 2.94 risk to reward. We take those 100% of the time. 14-point stop loss at the retest of the 8-minute equilibrium block. We just need to wait for this close. Let's go look at what it looks like on ES. ES is about to take the highs without probably pulling back. NQ may offer the pullback. ES doesn't really look like it wants to. And yes, if we do close like this in the next 25 minutes, we will close the 30-minute bullish equilibrium block. All right, get ready to go long at 14 here. Currently respecting the 1-minute equilibrium block. I need a bigger push down here. Alrighty, and we're long. We're long at 513.75. If we close like this, we're gonna have to deal with some retracement. Yeah, we're gonna have to deal with some retracement here based on this 1-minute close. We just need to see buyers. Where is this? What's the 2-minute doing? Want to see buyers step in at this range here? Absolutely. Might get stopped out. All right, just got stopped out. Alrighty. We may flip and get the change of state delivery bearish. We will see. Yep, all because of this 1-minute close here. 1-minute close pretty much told us we were gonna have to sit through some drawdown. This thing could easily push back up still. Just gonna watch it. We'd have to recover this fair value gap on a 1-minute time frame first and foremost. Would need to see a break over 505 here. Watching longs again if we can get this close over this fair value gap. Yep. The 2 minute due. Did we get the close? No, we did not. Watching longs here on the retest of this IFEG. Is this 14? 14 what? 1475. Basically, need to see a close back over this equilibrium block that we got the rejection from, paired with this fair value gap. Yeah, we're gonna get this push up. All right. Trying longs again at 18,514. Yep, ES went perfectly to the 8 minute equilibrium block paired with the volume imbalance, and Q decided to do us a little dirty here. All right, and we're long here. I am leaving room to add.
Nasty, bro.
Yeah, 5 minute does have to flip back bullish. $30 left in his 8 minute candle. Currently back to break even. We should have taken damn ES. I need to start watching both of those side by side when they both have the same setup. 'Cause ES is doing, or yeah, ES did what I needed it to do, and Q is stalling out here. One minute absolutely has to hold his volume imbalance. All right, we just got stopped out again. Okay. Well then, give this 1 second. ES took the highs. If ES is the stronger one, that's the only downside. I'll watch it.
Region.
Yeah, ES is supporting the longs again. It's just NQ is yeah, I'm not taking that with these crazy wicks. And we're rejecting a 3-minute equilibrium block. Only way I would long this is if we close back over this 3-minute. I just need to change the state of delivery back bearish if we are gonna do it. NQ with the crazy chop. Three-minute offered the change of state and delivery. 8-minute is still currently holding intact. If the 8-minute does leave this volume imbalance behind, we will see some downside. If we invalidate this 8-minute volume imbalance, we will push back up and take out these relative equal highs. Or I mean, if we support it.
See a region ES of 350.
350.
350 cents.
Oh. Watching for this change of state and delivery. If it comes, we are going to dump down pretty damn fast. And the dump's already starting without us. I just need to take the short off the equilibrium block. Yeah, it's about to give back this whole last CPI candle. I feel that. Now we're starting to break down. All right, we're gonna take some shorts off this retest. We just need to make sure we get some follow through. ES or NQ already kind of hit its target. We just want to see if buyers step in, give us a retest, and then short this back down. On NQ. All right, now that we got the change of state of delivery here, we just need the retest. The short for ES would be off 93.50. The short for NQ would be off of 500.
Take this. I think you took this.
Was that CPI low?
Equal lows, relative equal lows.
Mm-hmm.
That's equal.
Second buy side. Now we need to see if we can displace back down. Low AMD setup on the 20-second chart, or 3-second chart actually. Really just need to see a pullback here. And I got confirmation that we're breaking down, at least on NQ. Close below this VI and we start dumping now. If we hold above this volume imbalance, we will see a push back up to give us a retracement entry. Ideally, that's what I want to see, is actually a push back up here. Then we short this back down in a bit. All right, we should get this retracement. Go look at some SPX calls or puts, not calls, puts. Yeah, I actually kind of love the new Charles Schwab. Yeah, I kind of fuck with it. I don't got a problem with it being different. I mean, it's the same shit. It's like no difference. It's just everything's in blue now. Yeah. I'm looking for one on NQ. We break back down here, we ain't getting no pullback. Let's see a push up into this FEG. You really just gotta start pulling them.
Bullish as fuck, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Like actually, we didn't look like we was about to break down. So like, by the time I saw it, the entry was already gone. That was one of those. Don't.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty.
Definitely think we get a decent pullback in there first.
I want this short on NQ. ES might give it to us, but ES we might actually stall out before seeing much. QQQ puts, would it be 440, 446 or 445 puts? All right, ES about to give us the pullback. I can see ES pushing into this volume imbalance too before we get the rejection. Watching 5250 puts. Okay, this is something stupid with Thinkorswim right now. What the hell? All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this slight little more push. There we go. What the hell? All right, taking a starter here. Starter at 3.2 on these puts. SPX. Oh damn, NQ gave us the retest too.
DS reject.
Just don't want to see a close over 96 on ES. Don't want to see a close over 98.
My entry is 98. Will be 99.75. You're in SPX puts?
Yep.
Begin short here too. Need like another couple of ticks. Yeah.
I want to show some Qs up here too.
Sure, yes. NQ is pushing though is the problem. Stop this. I got stopped.
It would close or open right at that volume imbalance.
Yeah. Too much older than me. And Q reject worked.
I just need to see it close below 507 and I'll short it.
He just want to reject.
We did just mitigate the VI, but I need to see more follow through. All right, so close below this line. We will try shorts again if we don't get the change of state and delivery here. Three minutes left in this 8-minute candle. Just buy side, fell into displays. Now we're starting to push down. Just need to get this close. We push back up, we're 100% chopping, and I will be calling it a morning. Yep, we're 100% chopping. We're shifting from bullish to bearish, bullish to bearish. Calling it a morning for futures. If I see something later on in the day, I'll look to take it. But for now, medium time frames are chopping, so please be careful. Still in puts. We do need to see some follow through here coming up pretty damn soon for SPX specifically, but NQ is kind of signaling chop. Anybody have any questions? Wouldn't be surprised if we break down, but mainly I'm just sticking with ES for now. ES has a little bit cleaner price action. NQ is complete chop. They're still only down 21%. NQ did just offer the change in state and delivery back bullish. Way it's setting up looks like something wants to go take the highs first, and then we'll see what divergence wants to play out. NQ just took its high. ES stalling out, still getting this rejection off this volume imbalance. They're down 34% on SPX. Ideally, we want to see a breakdown here coming up pretty soon. If this candle does form as a bullish equilibrium block, we 100% will be stopping out. Only way this trade really works out is if this 8-minute candle flips red. Yeah, we actually might get that pullback back down to $3 with AMC. Dumping.
Damn, Jimmy too, bro. I guess that GME would have paid short term. Term says, oh, they're not leaves that.
I mean, even the Leaps would have paid out big time because the Leaps would have had less IV.
No rip building. You had them last time.
All right, we got a minute left. This candle absolutely has to flip red. If it does not flip red, we will be stopping out.
You know what? No.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and close these here at 1.8 minus 43%. Alrighty. For now, just gonna call it a morning and wait for us to get some form of pullback to take this back long. Something is gonna take out at least the daily buy side liquidity. We have daily buy side on NQ. What is it like? What's your daily buy side at?
Previous.
The next one that we haven't taken yet. 568. All right, so we got some buy side at 18,568. The main buy side I'm looking for is this weekly buy side. Wouldn't be surprised if we do expand up 100 points from here. Just need a pullback, really, now that we see buyers are still in fact here. We are forming an equilibrium block here in a 26-minute time frame. I do love this time frame a lot. 8 minute was a dupe today. We kind of were part of a manipulation leg and manipulation down, and we closed back over this range. So 100% so far setting up as an AMD setup. We just need the pullback. Overall, decent morning. I will see if we find a play during intraday, and I will see you guys later. You guys have a great rest of your day. Still keeping AMC on watch as well, AMC and coin to see when buyers step in on coin. I do see Bitcoin getting a pushback up sometime in the next upcoming weeks. So that's the main focus, is really just watching coin, and we'll trade coin for the Bitcoin expansion. And yeah, it's about the game plan for the rest of today. I'll see you guys later. Let me see.